Hi, welcome to this 5-minute IELTS video. In this video, we're going to look at some important prepositions you can use when describing trends and changes for writing task 1. Yes, it's a simple topic, but it's also very important. These prepositions can help you construct complex sentences that describe changes and trends in detail. So let's get started. The bar chart shows how the population of Big City, not a real place of course, changed over a period of 45 years between 1950 and 1995. Below, I've got two sentences which describe the chart. What I want to do in each sentence is focus on two particular years, 1950 and 1970. And I'm really interested in the difference between the figure here, which is 2.5 million, and the figure here, which is about 4.1 million. The difference is 1.6 million. Now, which preposition do you think I need to express this difference? Let's remember that this sentence is based on a verb. Well, the preposition I need is by in this case. Let's just put that in bold. How about this second sentence? It has the same meaning, but the structure is different. This time the sentence is based on a not a verb, a noun. So this time I need the preposition of. Now, of course, I've got another sentence here. I've hidden it because it's a little bit different. Let me show you it now. In this example, I've got a sentence based on a verb again, but I don't give the figure immediately after. The figures actually come later, as you can see. So in this example, I need the preposition in. So 3 different prepositions, 3 different structures. To finish this video, I'm going to give you a little test. The mini test is based on the same bar chart as before. I suggest that in a few seconds you pause the video, and then when you unpause it, I will show you the answers. Okay? Pause the video now. Here are the answers. Firstly, a small population decrease of about 200,000. This follows the structure noun plus of plus number. Next, a slight decline in the number of people living in Big City. This follows the structure noun plus in plus noun phrase. Finally, we have went up by approximately 200,000. The structure is verb plus by plus number. I would like to make one final point. It's sometimes a good idea to talk about the difference between different points of time, in this case 1990 and 1995, because it helps us to make comparisons, and that is very important in writing task 1. I'm coming to the end of this 5-minute IELTS video. Thank you for watching and look out for more videos. Bye bye.